so welcome to a new video. So this video is wholly based on a new personality, a great personality, a very known personality to us. India's one of the great presidents, the people president, and one man who actually started a nuclear project test in India. So he is none other than our greatly known fine scientist and a mathematician and a political leader, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Introduction about Kalam. So Abdul Kalam's full name was Abul Pakir Jainalabdin Abdul Kalam. He was born in October 15, 1931, Rameshwaram, India. Died July 27, 2015 in Shillong. Kalam was an Indian scientist and a politician who played a leading role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapons programs. So he was a very known scientist and a mathematician to India. He contributed many things to India. One of them he was the president of India, and he brought many differences about the constitution of India, and he was the one who started the development of missiles tests in India, nuclear projects and weapons. Early years of Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in a poor Tamil Muslim family in pilgrimage town of Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu on October 15, 1931. His mother, Ashima, was a housewife, and his father, Jainalabdin, was an imam of a local mosque and a boat owner. He was the youngest in the family with the 4 elder brother and a sister. So he was the youngest one in the family of 4 elder brothers and a sister. Early education. By early childhood, Kalam's family had become poor. At the early age, he sold newspaper to supplement his family's income. In his school years, Kalam had an average grade, but described as a bright and a hard-working student, had a strong desire to learn. He spent his hours on studies, especially on mathematics. He loved mathematics. He was an average scorer in exams, but still was told a very hard-working person. He actually was born in a very poor family, a Tamil poor Muslim family, and at his early age only he was supplementing for the income for his family. He was helping his father and mother for income to his family. Parents. Kalam's father was Jainalabdin Makayar, was a boat owner and the imam of a local mosque. Kalam's mother was Ashima, who was a homemaker, housewife. Kalam's youngest of the 5 siblings. So about his siblings, the eldest of whom was his sister, Azim Zahra, followed by 3 elder brothers: Muhammad Muttumira Lebe Marekar, born in 4 November 1916, Mustafa Kalam 1999, and Qasim Muhammad 1995. As his political career, Kalam became the President of India in the year 2002. He widely referred as to the People President. Why? He returned the civilian life of the education, writing and public service after a single term. So in his single term journey, he actually brought up very new terms, returned the civilian life of education. He brought up education in the limelight, writing and public service, and that's why he was knownly referred as People's President. Missile Man of India. He does came to be known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and the launch of vehicle technology. He also played a pivotal organizational, technical and political role in India's Pokhran 2 nuclear test in 1998. The first since the original nuclear test by India in 1974. First nuclear test. Kalam came to be known as the Missile Man of India for his work on development of ballistic missile and the launch of vehicle technology. He played a pivotal organizational, technical, political role in India's nuclear test and first since the original nuclear test by India. Pokhran. Pokhran is a village and a municipality located in the Jaisalmer district of Indian state Rajasthan. It is a remote location in the Thar Desert region and served as a test site for India's first underground nuclear weapon ballistic missiles. The Pokhran test were a series of 5 nuclear bombs. Test 5 nuclear bomb test explosion conducted by India at the Indian Army Pokhran Test Range in May 1998. Kalam's death. This honorable, beautiful man had an end to his life. Of course, all we have. So, Kalam died due to the heart failure on 27th July 2015 in Shillong while giving a speech. So, he was giving a speech in Shillong, and that was the day when he had a heart failure or a heart attack, and he died over there while giving a speech only. So, this was the whole video about. Hope you liked the video well, and thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, share, and comment me down. And thank you for watching. Bye.